Hello everyone. Hi Pisces, water sign. This is April weekly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Pisces, water sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on, Pisces? Nine of Cups with Ace of Wands. Your wishes are going to be granted, Pisces, in near future. And Ace of Wands. So new beginnings, if you are in separation, your person want passionate new beginnings with you. And Ace of Wands. So you are very passionate towards your work. And your wishes are going to be granted. Wish fulfillment. Major Arcana. Nine of Cups. So let's see our reading. Recent past. Ten of Pentacles. Two of Swords. And the Strength. So you are creating more money. Your money is very good. And Two of Swords with the Strength card. But you are very indecisive about to make decision about someone or something. You are at some crossroad. And the Strength card. But you are not getting clarity. And you are focusing to analyze the situation. And you're focusing on your strength. Yes. Because you're stuck on some situation. You're trying to come out of that situation. You are working on your strength. That was past, then present. Six of Wands, Seven of Cups and the Chariot. You are getting for your success for your hard work and recognition for your hard work. And yes, everyone treats you like popular person. You have become very popular in these recent times. And Seven of Cups. Maybe you have options in love, in relationship, maybe in career wise also. You have a lot of options. You're still confused. Two of Swords with Seven of Cups. You don't know which one has to choose, but you are very confused. And the Chariot. But you make one decision and choose to go in that way because the Chariot is moving. Yes, definitely there is some movement. Yes, you choose one thing. Then future Queen of Cups, Knight of Cups and the Lovers. You have strong emotions for this person, Queen of Cups. You are very caring and sharing person, Pisces. And Knight of Cups, and this person also has very strong emotions for you. And this person is very romantic. And this is mutual love between both of you. The Lovers card is here. So I think it is more physical. I think you both are very attracted to each other. Both are very attracted to each other physically. And emotional also because Queen of Cups. But you are very emotional towards this person. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Cancer or Leo. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Leo or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So the person involved signs especially Gemini, Leo or Cancer. So let's see your person feelings and intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. Three of Wands. Another deck. This could be long distance relationship. Your person may be waiting for you. And for some it could be long distance. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Seven of Cups. I think your person also very confused. I think you both are on the same page. King of Swords. I think your person thinking through their logical mind. And two of swords, there is also some crossroads. And five of wands, lot of drama is going between you and your person right now. For some there are issues between you and your person, Pisces. And yes, for some your person maybe have options also. They are also confused, they don't know which decision they have to make. They are also very confused right now. They are not willing to communicate. They are thinking through their logical mind. Lot of thinking is going in your person's mind. So let's see their intentions. King of Cups, Seven of Swords, Four of Wands. I think you person not trusting you, maybe trust issues between both of you. And Nine of Cups, I already told you, you both are on the same page. You also got Nine of Cups and your person also got Nine of Cups. Their wishes are going to be granted. And King of Cups, definitely they have emotions. King of Cups and Queen of Cups, see, you both are on the same page. You both are mirroring each other. They have emotions for you. You both have strong emotion towards each other. But there are some trust issues. Maybe in past you cheated on them, maybe lied to them. Definitely there are Seven of Swords. One person in this connection is sneaky. It could be you or your person. There are some trust issues between both of you. And Four of Wands with Five of Wands. Yes, they want a reconciliation with you. They want marriage with you. But there is lot of drama going between you and your person right now. And they're wishing for this connection, but they're confused. You also wishing for this connection, but you also confused. But there is love. There are emotions between both of you. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, waiting. They are waiting. And again Seven of Cups. Yes, your person may be waiting for you to reach out them. And Five of Pentacles, they are missing you. They're feeling alone. And Seven of Pentacles, definitely waiting period between both of you. I think most of you are in no contact. Or if you are in contact, I think there is no constant communication between both of you right now. Again, this is your person. Yes, your person right now is King of Swords. They're not willing to communicate. They're not willing to say anything because they already told you everything to you. So they're waiting for you. They're waiting for actions, not words. Yeah, they're waiting for you to reach out them to make Ace of Swords, new beginning, truth coming out, new beginning. Yes. And Queen of Wands, your person stand by their power, Pisces. They're very passionate. Now they stand by their power. It could be you or your person because these are mutual. So maybe you asked Six of Swords with Temperance. I think you both maybe there is some communication is going to be happen between both of you because Ace of Swords, truth coming out, communication, clarity, and Six of Swords. I think you both want to resolve things between both of you, but you both are waiting mode. Temperance, Sagittarius, the person involved in this connection could be patience. Yes, patience is the key in this connection. Definitely you both want to resolve the things between both of you because you both have strong emotion towards each other. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. A win-win outcome is forecast. Full moon in Libra. Pisces, the answers you need are coming. Full moon in Gemini. Yes, this is very, very good time for you, Pisces. A win-win outcome is your forecast. The answers you need are coming. If you are going through any problems right now, you are not finding any answers, but definitely you will get answers very soon. The answers you need are coming, especially when full moon in Gemini. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. I feel so alone. Trust issues, I already told you. There are some trust issues between. Decision time and friendship. For some, you both are very, very good friends. For some, your friends only want to put in your friendship zone. Whatever. So take what resonate. So they feel so alone. For some, trust issues and decision time. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.